Hey, and welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I did subscribe to the Ipsy monthly subscription, and I want to show you what my welcome bag has in it. I'm a little bit late because I'm sure that my welcome bag had the November items in it. But I wanted to show you anyway because it's a new journey for me. So if you are interested in watching that, continue watching the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. Alright guys, let's get right on into this video. So like I said, I subscribe to the Ipsy monthly, I guess it's a monthly bag. And I got the 12, I believe it's $12.95 a month. It's a smaller bag, and they do have a larger bag that's about $24.95 a month, I want to say, or close to that price. Anyway, yes, they sent me my bag, and it's a welcome bag. So before I get into my Ipsy package, a little bit about me and my makeup journey. I'm not that kind of person to wear a whole lot of makeup. I basically do the very bare minimum when it comes to makeup. I do wear some foundation, some bronzer occasionally, some eyeliner, mascara, lip gloss, and that's pretty much the basis of my whole makeup routine. I don't do all the caking and baking and all that fancy stuff that I see you ladies out there doing. Kudos to you. I want to get there one day, but I'm not there yet. So this is a way for me to just try different things since I really don't know exactly what I should buy and what I shouldn't. So yeah, this is going to help me out, hopefully. This is the welcome bag that they sent me. It has really cute, and it has lipstick, mascara, lip gloss, eyeshadow on it. So the packaging is really cute, and it looks like this didn't fit in the bag, but they sent me a brush. The brush looks very well made, very good quality brush. It's very soft, so I can't wait to use this. But let's see what's inside the bag. Alright, so it does come with a welcome postcard. It says your first monthly treat yourself moment is here. Yay! And that means you're officially a member of the Ipsy community. Your self-expression journey starts now with the best of the best assortment valued at $50 plus in an iconic Ipsy makeup bag, from top-rated community faves to editor must-haves. After this, we'll tailor each bag according to what you want. Open up and see what you discover. So this is really cute. I like that they put this touch inside the bag, and it tells you 3 ways to get more in your bag. So it looks like I can choose different products each month that I would like added to my bag for an additional fee. So this is pretty cool. Oh, and it does list out all the products that are in my bag, and it looks like it gives you a brief description of what each product is. So I am going to start off with this. It looks like it's a banana souffle moisture cream. It says glow recipe on it. So let me see what this says. It says we love a product that works for all Ipsters, even those with sensitive skin. This banana, chia seed, and turmeric infused moisturizer resets and replenishes your skin for a healthy glow. The rich souffle-like texture is deeply hydrating but doesn't feel thick or heavy on your skin. So this sounds like a really good moisturizer. It sounds like it's light, which is good for me because I have normal skin. It's not too oily, it's not too dry. It's kind of in the middle. So it sounds like it's a good product. This is valued at $39, and this is a 0.3 ounce container. It does smell like banana, and it's a light cream. So it's the first item in my bag. So the second item is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Moon Jelly is the color. So let me see if this is something that I would like, because I'm a very neutral kind of girl. I like to stick with neutral colors. Sometimes I might throw in a pink. Okay, so this looks like a sparkly, cute, just shiny lip gloss. So I can't wait to try that out. I actually might try that on now. I do have a little bit of Vaseline on my lips, so let me see. Okay. It smells really good. It has a smell like a vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. It has a vanilla scent to it, and you can feel it has like sparklies, or I don't know, glitter in it. you can feel the glitter on your lips when you put it on. But that's what the lip gloss looks like. So let me read a little bit about the lip gloss. It says, this celeb loved brand is hyped for a reason. The products are that good. This makeup kit must have, gives lips mirror-like shine without feeling tacky or sticky. The secret, tiny light reflectors and round flexible applicators that gives precise mess-free application. It feels good on my lips, and this is retailed at $16. See what else I have in my bag. Alright, so this is a Rock Out and Lash Out mascara by Beatnik Black, or no, by Ico London, and the color is Beatnik Black. So that's that. I love me some mascara. I do use mascara, so I'm really happy about this. And it says no hassle, drama, tons of volume, and major pigmentation, aka exactly why we picked this game-changing mascara. A few swipes of this carbon black formula coats lashes for crazy definition that lasts for hours without smudging or smearing. This retails at $26, guys. I'm super excited to try this one out. And last but not least, I got Tatcha, I believe is how you pronounce it, and it's a deep cleanse. It's a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Directions: apply to wet face, avoiding eyes, and rinse. So it is a cleanser. Cool, because I've been looking for different cleansers to kind of cleanse my face with. I'm not very good at that either, guys. I'm a very just use a soap bar to clean your face kind of girl, but I have been experimenting with different cleansers lately, and I have been experimenting with different masks. I have the Gleamin' mask that I love. I do love to try different cleansers, so hopefully this is one that I will like. It says, from the holy grail of skincare brands, this gentle daily cleanser will help get stressed skin, oily uneven texture, large pores back on track. The gel formula lathers into a creamy foam to eliminate dirt, oil, and builds up without overdrying your skin. And this retails at $38. So yeah, guys, this is my very first Ipsy bag. I'm super excited about this. Can't wait to see what my December bag brings. I think this is really cool. It's a really neat way to just kind of try things out, especially when you're a beginner when it comes to makeup and skincare. It's a great way to just get little sample sizes just to try it out first before you buy the full products for the full price. I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to try these. Already I'm loving the lip gloss. So yeah, guys, that's my video for today. Let me know if you have an Ipsy subscription. It seems like everyone has one nowadays. So I'm late to the party, I know. But like I said, I'm excited about it. What do you like about Ipsy if you are a subscriber to them? And do you recommend keeping the smaller bag, or do you recommend the larger bag? Because I have seen the larger bag and you do get full product sizes in the larger bag, which is cool, but I'm thinking for now I just want to try things out and see how they work out for me before I, you know, start paying the extra money for the full size products. That is my video for today, guys. Leave me any comments, questions down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you give me a like because it helps my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.